Okay, guys. So right now I'm going to show you how to set up a print for the Dremel printers. Okay, so taking our file and setting it up to print on Dremel. So I'm just going to do it with this staircase that we've had built. Okay, so if this is your cam or some other part that you've built, this is how we would go about it. So down here under the part studio that I've built it in, I'm going to export. Okay, so give it a name, staircase. For you guys, if you're doing a cam, okay, I want you to title it your name. Okay, so pots cam. Okay, and then put your class period 1A. Okay, next thing, you got to make sure the format. Okay, yours probably says Parasolid right now, but you want to change that to STL, and then everything else is okay. All I'm going to do is hit OK. All right, it downloads POTS Cam1 STL file. I'm going to go into Schoology. Now in Schoology, probably at the bottom, we've got Dremel Print Cloud. Click that. All right, and you guys, yours won't go straight to this. You'll have to sign in with Google. Okay, but get signed in with Google, and then you should be pretty close to what I have. So I'm going to upload new, choose file. If it says project, make sure you go to single file, choose file. I'm going to find POTS Cam1. That was it right there. Open that file. Successfully uploaded. Save and go to files. So now I've got my staircase, and right now it's an STL file. I've got to set it up as a G code. So you can do repair. I'm going to skip to step 2, the layout. Now, right now it looks like a normal size, but if I zoom out, this right here is about 9 inches and this is about 6. So that means that is a little bitty thing. But if I go over here, look at my sketch. All right, this was a 3x3 staircase. So what we have to do is, what it does when it brings it into Dremel, it converts it to millimeters. So I'm going to go to scale, and then over here on the side, I'm just going to click the millimeters to inches. All right, and now it's proper size. Okay, this will be 3 inches by 3 inches, and I'm going to click on bed. Okay, again, if you don't see the on bed, you're going to need to maximize your screen. So hit that key on the top row of your keyboard to get rid of this tab down here. All right, and then you should be able to see on bed. Now, this looks like a pretty good direction for it to print, okay, because you've got that nice flat surface against the bottom. If not, okay, that would be okay. That would be okay. That would be okay because that is still a flat surface. But right here, we don't want to print it like this because this is the part touching the glass and you're going to have this big gap right here. So it's either going to fill it in with a mesh that you have to pry off, or it's just going to be dripping the plastic until it finally starts catching and prints on top of it. But either way, we don't want to set our print up like this. So here I've got a nice flat surface, and there's nothing just kind of dangling that would need support. Everything here is supported. Okay. So once I've got it on there, it fits the bed. I've got it scaled to inches. I'm going to go over here. I want to do a save and slice. So when I do a save and slice, we want to adjust a few things. Okay, we want to change this to a draft. Okay, that's just going to allow us to print a lot quicker. So if I do a draft, everything else should be okay. All I do, hit slice. Okay, now it's ready. This staircase would take 2 hours and 15 minutes to print. We're not looking to print that. But if I look at one of these cams I've already built, this one just 58 minutes. That's kind of what we're looking at as far as our printouts go. But if you look here, this was an STL file. So that's what we brought in from Onshape. Here, this is called a G code. All right, we ran it through the slicer a second ago. And what that does is it breaks it down so that the machine knows to where to lay a layer of plastic for each slice of the staircase. So we have to use the G code. So over here, once I see that, make sure it's got that G. I'm going to click it and it downloads. So you guys will have to come over here and open your download. You want to show it in your folder. So what you'll do is click on it. It's that POTS G code. I'm going to hit Control C, which means copy. Okay. Once you have that G code copied, you're going to come to me and you're going to get a thumb drive. Okay. The thumb drives, they're numbered 1 through 5, and you're going to open your thumb drive. Open your thumb drive and you're going to paste it in there. So if I open my, I just realized y'all probably didn't see what I was just talking about, but right here, I've opened my thumb drive. Okay, right here, that's the G code in my downloads. So remember, you just want to click it, Control C. And then whenever I open my thumb drive, 3D prints, in here, I'm going to hit Control V and it pastes that G code. Okay, so once we have that, take your thumb drive and we can print it from there. And that is it. You guys have a great day.